Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we will learn how to use an abacus. We have a mother and a daughter walking and there is a awards function going on. Now, looking at the awards function, the daughter tells the mother, "Mom, even I want to win the medal like brother." Her brother has just won the first prize. To that, mother replies that to win medal, you will also have to do speed math using abacus. She suggests that she should be able to do math at a faster speed using abacus. The daughter says, "Yes, teacher told us about that when we were studying numbers. But how to do it?" To this question of the daughter, the mother replies, "Let us learn how to use an abacus like your teacher said." So students, let us look at what a abacus is. This particular object is known as an abacus. It is used to count numbers. It is used to represent 6, 7 or 8 digit numbers also. In this case, we'll be learning how to use the abacus. So let us give an introduction to abacus. Now, we have to write the number shown in the given figure of the abacus. Here we see two vertical sticks. One stick has been named as tens and the other stick has been named as the ones. In the stick of tens, how many beads are there? There are 3 beads. Whereas in the stick of ones, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green colored beads. Thus, there are, can I say, 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens are nothing but 30. 5 ones are nothing but the number 5. So 3 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 30 plus 5. That is nothing but 35. Students, what have we done here? We have read the number shown by the beads in the abacus and written down the number. The beads here show the number 35.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.